What's going on, everybody? Today we're gonna go start a 7-foot tall 9-gauge chain link project with a 22-foot slide gate. I think it's out of gas. Will this be the first job in like 4 weeks that we don't hit a pipe on? Oh, not again. Man. It's that gas. I think it's the gas that's got some water in it or something. That looks good. All right, we'll be back tomorrow. Finish it up. All right, here we go. Just getting all our bands on here. We got our gate being delivered. Should be here in a few minutes. And boom, that's the move right there. Just stick it in the chain link. Go. 152 3/8. Right in there, here we go. That's about what we want right there. I think I'm just gonna have to notch the chain link around it. I don't want to cut the curb. And when I'm doing barbed wire, I like to start top down. Because sometimes you start bottom up, your barbs are getting caught. This is 7 foot and I'm 6'5", so I can kind of reach the top here. If it was 8 foot, I probably couldn't, but okay, I'm gonna get it semi-tight and then clip it in here. Bro, they always like to fall like right where you don't need them. Beautiful. All right, I'll back truck up. Lightweight, light work. Come on, jeez. The helpers these days. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe a half. Beautiful. All right, guys, that's it for this one. It's about 10:30. We're gonna go back to the shop and load up, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.